Welcome to Yes You Can channel. In this video I will show you how to replace the O2 sensor, this one, better known as Lambda sensor. You need a wrench like this, adjustable one, or an adapter for the O2 sensor, 22mm. So just undo it just like this, and then what you do, you remove it with your hand. This is the upstream sensor. So you just pull this little clip out and you pull it out. So that's the O2 sensor, Lambda sensor. As you can see here, this is no good. There's too much lean fuel going into the sensor. It's white powder type. So this is the new sensor. It's a direct fitting. Just remember, this is the upstream sensor I'm changing. You just screw it in like this. And then when it gets tight, of course, you use the wrench or the adapter, tool adapter, to tighten it. So that's it. Just tightened it securely in. And then after that, this is a 4-pin connector. I will show you here. You just plug it in. At the bottom, there's another O2 sensor, which is the downstream. But the one I changed is the upstream sensor. Please like and subscribe to the channel.